Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everyone, this is another Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper box. I just can't get enough of this. Beautiful box, nice and big in order to store cards in. Anyway, and I'm using the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper, and there's no stamping, no nothing, no belly bands, because I think this paper is amazing. Anyway, I wanted to show you how I made it. We need, for the base, the cardstock 10.5 by 8.5, and I'm scoring at all four sides at 1 3/4. And this lid is 9 by 7, and I'm going to score it at 1 on all four sides. And I find that I have a less chance of breaking the paper if I use the large knob instead of the small knob. So here's my 1 inch, and I'm going to do it on all four sides, folding on all your score lines. So this is how we're gonna do it. Wedge, wedge, and wedge. Next one, same thing. Turn it around, same thing. All right, so there you go. That's how that's done. And the same thing on this side. That was Balmy Blue, the cardstock I'm using. Alrighty. Okay, so I like putting a strip of adhesive close to the score line and close to the free edge. Whoopsies. I'll do this one first just to get it out of the way. Just bringing that free edge up to the score line. It's a very simple build. I love them. I love simple builds. I love boxes. I also like complicated ones too. Okay, same here. Oopsies. So sometimes putting it right on the box will make it fit amazingly too. So such a nice fit. Really tight lid, actually. Look at the inside. Oh my gosh, I love it. So here is your little birthday box. I'm not going to even put anything on it. I love it. What I could do is I could take the paper and cut out the butterflies and then make a few of them raised, or, you know, but that's for another day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.